Hello guys, welcome to my channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose in improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, fully support and guide me. This is our first article. TN opposed for Tamil letter instead of rupee symbol in state budget logo. The Hindu Bureau, Chennai. Stepping up the campaign to promote Tamil, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin on Thursday released a promotional logo for the Tamil Nadu budget for 2025-26, replacing the Indian currency symbol rupee used in the previous financial year budget with the Tamil letter Ru to denote Rubai, the Tamil words of for the currency. The budget will be presented on Friday. The logo shared on the official X page of the Chief Minister carried the slogan Elarkam Elam, everything for everyone, conveying the idea of inclusiveness. The promotional video produced by the Information and Public Relations Department has included the Sangam period Puran Enoru verses in praise of Chera King Chairman Palai Panthia Peramukadongo. Official sources that the Tamil Nadu government in its budget document was using the Tamil letter and the English word rupee had not opted for the symbol rupee in the text. The Chief Minister has used Tamil, one of the 15 languages in the Indian currency. It is not against the constitution, an official source said. BJP slammed the move. BJP State President K. Annamalai criticized the DMK government for replacing the rupee symbol rupee, which is blend of the Devanagari R for rupee and the Roman R for rupees is in English. The symbol rupee was designed by D. Uday Kumar, who won a national contest to design a symbol for the rupee in 2010. He is the son of former DMK MLA N. Dharmalingam, who won the Rishivendiyam in the 1971 election. Festive Ferover Mass River. Women pray at the cook offering for the goddess during the Pongala festival at the Atuka Bhagyavathi temple in Thiruvananthapuram on Thursday. The entire city comes to a standstill during the women's only rituals. Know your English from the archives. K. Subramanian Upendra. Ganesh has a mania for dogs. I thought Ganesh did not like dogs. He hates them. He is so scared of them that the other day, in the case, Ganesh does not have the mania for dog. He has a phobia about them. Phobia, what does it mean? A phobia is an irrational fear or hatred of something. For example, my mother has a phobia about dust, meaning that she hates dust. I suppose can I say I have a phobia about dust? You can, but remember the stress is on the first syllable for and it rhymes with the words go and so and no. I see. What does mania means? It's mania. The A in the first syllable sound like A in may, hey and pay, and if you have a mania for something, it probably means you have a strong liking for something. You are right. What the word can use to indicate amusement or disapproval. For example, the chairman has a mania for pink shirts. Savitri has a mania for horror film. She certainly does. It run after her at the supermarket today. What has so important that you had to run after her? Nothing. She was there and I was there and we met by chance. In that case, you did not run after her but run into her. When you run after someone or something, you chase them in order to catch them or stop them. For example, the policeman ran after the chief. The fielder ran after the ball. A very good example. When you are ran into someone, you meet them quite unexpectedly. I ran into my cousins on Sunday. My mother ran into Madhuri Dixit at the museum. Really don't get excited. That was Just an example, in my mother had run across Madri. Don't you think I would have told you? Well, one never know with you. Remember. Hey, wait a minute. Did you say run across or run into? Run across and run into means the same thing. For example, I can either say I keep running across some of my old teacher at the library, or keep running into some of my old teacher at the library. When do you think I will run across the Madhuri? You have Madhuri mania, you know that the entire country has that mania right now. Published in the Hindu on October 2, 1995. So guys, this is today's quiz, a quiz to celebrate the golden jubilee of India's only hockey World Cup team. Quiz maker V.V. Ramanan. Question number 5. In which Asian capital city was the third edition of the World Cup held, and how many teams took part? Question number 2. What was India's performance in the first two World Cups held in Spain and Netherlands? Question number 3. Which were the lone South American and African teams in the India group in the league stages? Question number 1. Who were the skipper and the coach of the Trim's Indian squad? Question number 5. India topped its pool and played host Malaysia in the semi-final. It was 4 minutes away from 2-1 defeat. They won an Olympic medal and future MPA collide before India won and in extra time. Name the outspoken hockey star. Question number 6. India took on an archive rival and defending champion Pakistan in the summit clash, where it prevailed 2-1 to take the honor. Who knitted the match winner? Name his legendary father as well. Visual question 1 of the left is legendary Olympian who was the manager of the victorious team, and the right the president of the Indian Hockey Federation and notice sports administrator. Name both the Hindu archives. This is previous day quiz answer. Question and answer to the March 12 editions of the Daily Quiz. The 1983 Cricket World Cup, in which India registered its first ever win, was also known by the name Answer Prudential Cup 83 West Indies. In this tournament, India won the cup, defeating Pakistan in the final 2007 World Cup T20. The 2011 Cricket World Cup was hosted by India, and this country the player has declared player of the tournament answer Sri Lanka, Bangla and Bangladesh Yuvraj Singh. In this tournament, during the semi-final between India and Sri Lanka in England, individuals run onto the pitch with flags of Tamil Eelam 2013 ICC Champion Trophy. The 2024 Men's T20 World Cup was the first major ICC tournament to include matches played in this country. These players took the most number of wickets in the tournament. The US Arshdeep Singh, and this player scored the most number of the run in this concluded 2025 ICC Champion Trophy. Rachin Ravindra. Visual identify the tournament from this image. The 2002 ICC Champion Trophy, India and Sri Lanka both were declared winner as the match was abandoned due to rain. Early word who gave the answer: Mohanlal Patel, Tamal Vishwas, etc. So guys, this is today's video. Please like, comment, share, and not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more update and more videos. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet in tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.